Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching list of Indian states and capitals. India has 28 states. There are also 8 union territories. The 28 Indian states and their capitals are as follows. So I am Prashant Jadhav. Now I am starting my session. State and their capitals. State's name and capital's name. We will watch. First state, Andhra Pradesh. Its capital, Amravati. Second, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Dehradun in winter and Garsen in summer. So these two capitals for Uttarakhand state. And last, West Bengal, Kolkata. West Bengal is Kolkata. West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. So we have seen today the capitals of states, and I wish you liked this video because you understood the information about states and their capital. So I am Prashant Jadhav, and I have completed today my session. Namaskar.